Hello, this is Tiger101 here. Today I will be doing a Tekkit video. Yay! It is my first video on my channel. I am an experienced Tekkit Minecrafter, and I would be doing a few Minecraft tutorials later, but first it will be a Tekkit tutorial. Now this tutorial will be how to set up a server on a Mac. As you can see, I will show you how to download the files and do everything. Now, so first of all, you go to the Tekkit website, which you search Tekkit, and you should find this. To get the Tekkit launcher, you press download Tekkit launcher, and you should get this. If you're on a Mac, now I'll show you how to download it. If you're on a Mac, you click this link here. After pressing that button, now to get the Tekkit server, after launching that, you press download the Tekkit server 3.1.2. That should be a direct download, and you will get Tekkit server _3. You won't get the -1. And these are the files that are gonna come with it. Now, first of all, you're gonna double click that. If that opens something that you don't understand, you're gonna have to right click it, open with, and text edit, or whatever your text editing program is. Now you're gonna press enter, and then you're gonna type this cd / desktop, or wherever your file is. So right now my file is on my desktop. It is in a folder called videos. So /desktop. So if it was, for example, in your videos file for some reason, in your movies file for some reason, then it would be, then you would type / movies. You would still type the Scoogy Live thing. You would type /movies. So /desktop, and then the folder it's in after that. So sometimes it would be nothing. Sometimes it would have to be Tekkit _server _3, and for me -1. But for you for me that's not it. For you it could be it. So if this file is on the desktop there, then that's what you would have to type. But if you would of course not have the -1, so just type everything that I type without the -1. You could make a folder called videos and do it like that. For whatever reason you would want it. But anyway, so that's what you have, and then you need to type the folder after that, and then you type the name of the Tekkit server. So for me, this is the layout that I type. Then I save it, close it. Then I open here, and then I change. Now I press, and then Command I, or right click and go to Get Info. Now change name and extension to cancel. Don't do that. Make it .command. There. Use .command. When running it, you should press open, and it should have terminal set to default. If that doesn't work, press other, open applications, utilities, and press new terminal. That should be what you should have. I'm going to cancel because I already have that. And then always open with. That should be what you have. So press open. Then that should come up with a screen like that. However, this is going to come up with a lot of errors. Oh no. So you type the word stop in, and then close that. After you type stop, then you open the folder called mods. Now you're going to take the file weapon mod. So firstly, you're going to select this area. Then you're going to press command and all these things. So what you should have selected is the directory weapon mod, not the jar file, and mod _ nether ores.jar. Then you drag those into trash, and then you go back and you launch the server again. That should give you loads of stuff. severe. It's gonna give you a few severe things, but that should be able to run and should stop for now. So meanwhile, I'm just gonna empty trash. You don't have to do this. I like doing it to keep my unneeded stuff down, so I don't have to like waste space on it. And then it should prepare the spawn areas. Now, after this is done, it should have that. Type stop. After it's stopped, you should have this little thing. It should just be a normal cost. And then you find server properties and open it. If it says there's no data filter application, choose text edit to open it. So that here you're gonna put all your settings as normal because you should know how to make a server. Normal Minecraft server before you start making it a Tekkit server. Then you put your design IP. I'm just gonna keep it as 127.0.0.1. So I'm gonna have that. And so yeah. So once you have that, you should be able to have your own server. Now, I do not know. Actually, port forwarding is the same as Minecraft servers, and once I learn how to do that correctly, and I port forward my own servers, I am going to make a tutorial on that as well. But meanwhile, I'm just using Longbean Hamachi. You should have a network name, and also if you don't know your IP is going to be your Longbean Hamachi. Once that's done, you open Tekkit, press multiplayer, and you type in your IP. So mine is 127.0.0.1. So that's a bad IP, as you can see. Actually, no, that's because you haven't started it. To start your server, you run launch.command. Where was that? You just double click it, it should open up, it should give you everything, and then don't care about the warnings, just let it prepare. Once it's done, it'll pop up, this thing will pop up, that doesn't do anything. So I'm going to open up Tekkit again, I'm going to refresh, and I'm going to have my server, and there we go, you have made your own Tekkit server. Obviously. First thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go into the terminal area, that's what it's called, terminal. And then you're going to have to type up and your name. My name is up and then your name. My book. So that's my name. So you're now up. You can now search GM1. Alright. Because you won't have any plugins installed as default. You only have the mods. So here you go. You have your own Tekkit server. Congratulations. So note that the installing plugins are the same. Some plugins are not Tekkit compatible. That should be noted by. So you should look at the plugin development page. It's running Bucket, so most plugins should be compatible. But I've seen a few that's not. They can crash your server completely, and you're gonna have to reset everything. I've seen that happen to I've had that happen even, not just seen it happen. So if you need any help, any more tutorials, just comment below or to the right if you're on an iPad or whatever device you're on. And so that is it for my video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and see you later.